Hey everybody, so from this title you already know what it is, so we're gonna get right into it. But before we do, real quick, so I didn't know who Telfar was. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know who he was. I just seen on Twitter that everybody was talking about the bags. So I'm like, what are they talking about? So then they was just saying how he did like a security lock, and on his website it will be 24 hours, all the bags will be available, but you had 24 hours. So I was like, you know what, that's decent. Like, a lot of places or a lot of companies, they'll do like limited amount of people, a limited amount of items, and as soon as you go on there, everything's sold out. So I was like, you know what, I gotta support this. So I end up getting 2 bags. But before I get to the bags, real quick, on the website, if you had ordered, I think it was in the summertime or like a little bit in the maybe September, I forgot when, honestly. I'll look at the receipt when I open it. But on the website, it said you wouldn't get your bag until like January 20th. So I was not expecting this at all. So this is like, I'm so excited because my birthday is January 1st. And I'm definitely going to wear this bag for New Year's Eve tonight. That's because I'm recording the video right now. And I'm really excited. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I already opened the box because me and my mom had a bet. She said that all my bags wasn't in here, but they are. So this is how it came for me, and it says Telfar. Woo! Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I'm sorry, but Telfar bag. Oh yes. And as I was ordering my bag and all that stuff, like the day before, I like did a little research on them and stuff, and I know that like yeah, so like I said, this was in August when I ordered this, and I just got it, and I'm super excited. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, so yeah, when I was doing my research, I found out that these bags are actually made out of vegan leather. So I'm like, oh okay, I could get jiggy with that. And then on top of it, I forgot to mention the most important thing. It's owned by a black man. So I said, oh yes, I'm going to support. So when you open the box, I don't know how everybody's box come. I think everybody's box come like this. This is how it looks. I actually got a mini and I got a medium, or a small, I'm sorry, and a medium. So let's get to the small. I'm so excited. I should do the medium first because my medium is just a basic. Let's do medium because the medium is just a regular color because I was trying to play it safe. And another thing, I'm not a bag carrier. Like, I'll carry around a book bag. I'll carry it around a little crossbody. But I'm getting to my 30s, so I was like, let me treat myself to a bag. Because, you know, I feel like I'm getting too old to not have a pocketbook. So it comes in, you know, a Ziploc bag with the T on it. The T. Yes. And then you get your dust bag. Oh, even the dust bag got his emblem. Okay, I see you out here with the logo. And then, so this is my first time opening this part. I didn't get this far. I just opened up the actual box. So I just got a regular old black medium-sized bag because, like I said, I'm getting old now, and it's hard for me to have a bag. It smells good too. I love when it's like the little leather smell, even though it's really not leather. Well, this is so cute. I really like this. And I have a feeling my mom might carry this one or the small one. Me and her might fight over the small one, but this is how the medium comes. And then I'm gonna take these off. So you got the long straps, and then you got the little, you know, the little clutch pad. I said long patch. The long straps, and then you got the little clutch straps. You know, you gotta get cute on that. You know, So anyway. And it comes with a little clip inside. A little snappy snap. Well, this is a nice size bag. Looks like a typical nice size bag. Kind of sturdy. I like this. This is probably, I wonder if my laptop, I don't think my laptop can fit in this. It might. I gotta check. My laptop probably can fit in this. And, you know, my stuff that I be carrying. And it has another zipper in here. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's kind of deep too. Goddamn. Okay, I see you. Hey, you Telfar. Telfar, I see you. That's kind of deep. So yeah, this is the black bag. I really wish I'd got this in the color now that I got it, but this could go with any and everything. So I'm kind of glad I did get black. But yes, this is the black bag. Let me put it back in the dust bag before I do anything. But this one, my next bag, I'm really excited about because my favorite color is blue and green. But as of lately, red has just been my color. Like, it's getting crazy. So I guess you guys kind of could figure out what color I got. And I'm so excited. I'm wearing this for my birthday pictures. Oh my god. This is so stinking cute. I didn't mean to rip that part. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Gold. And this is so cute. Oh my gosh. My dog think I'm talking about another dog. He got up. You cute too, boo. But yes, so you can get the little crossbody effect with this. I probably wouldn't. If I'm out in the club, you know, if the world ever bubble back open. Oh my god, this is so stinking cute. Yes. I love this. It actually looks smaller in person. This one looks smaller, I should say. But yeah. Maybe, I don't know. Compared to the medium bag, this is kind of small. But this is so cute. I like this. I'm definitely going to find a lot of outfits to go with this. Or have my shoes match this a lot. So. Oh yes. Yo, I'm excited. Like, I was not expecting this to come till middle of January and it's here. So. But yeah, y'all. That's it. These are my Telfar bags. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this right. Go look up. I guess y'all call me a hype beast or whatever for getting this, but honestly, I was just trying to support. And I'm glad I did because I really love those bags. I could start my, you know, grown and sexy now that I'm turning 30. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.